Here's a great way to go sailing around different parts of Australia, even if you don't have a boat. I'm taking part in a twilight yacht race, and all I had to do was pay $20 to become a temporary member of the Royal Melbourne Yacht Squadron. The city centre of Melbourne is behind us as we pull out of the St Kilda Marina into Port Phillip Bay.
Take up on that one, Phil. Take up on that one.
I know nothing about sailing, so all I can do is enjoy the thrill of skimming so close to the waves, feel the wind pushing us forward, and taste the salt in the air.
Get it up, Nick. Laying right out.
The experience of sailing is intense and dramatic. You feel an immediate connection to the elements and to the vastness of the sea.
Don't bluff us too hard.
More and more women are getting into sailing, and there are 400 sailing clubs around Australia that offer us day trips, sailing lessons and regular sailing.
Someone back on the main, Adam.
We're driving the main, not the hexel.
Get ready to no, stay here. Phil, stay there and get ready to pull it.
Okay, ready to drive? Head down, keep pulling. Don't worry, don't worry, driving!
It was very exciting to be on White Swan as she raced past 14 other boats and finished in second place as the sun set.